welcome back to our
Hola,
channel.
buenos dias. So we arrived here actually in Lima, April 2nd of 2022, and we went to Cusco April 4th, and today is April 26th. So we're now back in Lima. We flew in yesterday.
And we're joining a tour right now. We're just waiting for them. Our guide said there will be another guide that will be with us who will just speak in English because the majority of the group only speaks English. So yeah, so we'll discuss to you what are the things that you'll need to visit Lima, Peru.
So first, due to the COVID pandemic, you would need a completed 3-dose vaccine. You would need to bring with you that card. If you are not vaccinated, you need proof of negative COVID that is at least 72 hours old. For the vaccination card, you need to be vaccinated within 2 weeks.
Yes. Also, it's not just a vaccination card that you need. Before you can enter Lima, Peru, you also need to provide them a proof of a negative test, negative result. We don't know that actually when we went to Miami, and they don't want to let us in even just to get our tickets because we don't have our negative result. So you can do that in the airport, but it costs so much.
I think it costs, for both of us, it's like $250.
Yes, so it's better if you do it outside.
Yeah.
Be prepared.
You always need the COVID test when you're flying out.
So
Even if the website
always.
says that you don't, it's better to have it than take it in the airport.
Yes. Also, if you're a US citizen or Filipino citizen, you don't need any visa to go and visit Lima, Peru, or Peru in general. Well, what else would I need?
And 72 hours before you fly, you need to go to the website for
Pase de
your
Salud.
health pass. It's not called Pase de Salud. It's called another way. Usually, your airline will let you know within 72 hours to fill that one out. Make sure to print it out after you do it because they will look for it in Lima.
Yes. So most of the people, they just have it in their phones, but the ones that check it actually prefers you to have it on hand. So just print it. It's gonna be way easier. What else? So when you arrive to Lima, Peru, actually we had a problem when we got here. We don't have our luggages. It's a month worth of stuff, so we don't have anything. So,
Hopefully it doesn't happen to you, but we're just telling you.
yeah, we're just telling you that could happen. So in order for you to avoid that, just make sure on your carry-on or personal item you have some of the
You have
stuff.
some clothes.
Yes, you have some clothes because with us we don't have anything. So we have to buy practically everything that we'll need for the whole trip. Also, what else? Oh, when you go here, they will require you to wear either 2 regular masks or 1 KN95. It's a must. Like wherever you go, you have to wear it. Also, always be prepared with your vaccination card because wherever you enter, like if it's an establishment or something, even with just the malls, they will ask for you, or restaurants, just have it with you all the time. They will always ask you for your vaccination card. They will check it, and also with your passport. So some of them they ask for 2, some of them they just ask for 1. So always just be prepared with that. What else? Oh, when you go to when you arrive in Lima, Peru, there will be taxis available. And
Yes.
it usually costs how much?
It usually costs from here, from the airport to Miraflores, it's 60 soles. You can pay it up there. It's safer. I prefer it more than Uber because with Uber you have to wait. If you buy the taxi service from there, you know it's safe, and the taxi is just right there.
Yes.
Usually from the airport to Lima, it's about 20 to 35 minutes depending on the traffic and time of the day.
And they're very serious with observing the COVID precautions here in Lima, Peru. The taxi drivers, like inside the car, they have like the shield, and you really have to wear your KN95 or your 2 regular masks. So what else? So we recommend when you go here to Lima, Peru, book free walking tours to better explore the city if you have time. And So what we did was when we first got here, we actually weren't able to do the tour because we were so busy buying our clothes, all the stuff that we will need because we'll be flying to Cusco. But now we have the opportunity to be with them in the tour, so hopefully this will be a good one. They only ask for 2.5 soles for the train ride.
And that's for the fare, yes.
That's for the fare, and how I think it's like a
it's a per tip basis.
Yeah, per tip
it's free
basis.
walking tour. So
It's free,
if
but
you're happy with the service, give them tip.
yes, but yeah, just give them something, I guess. And what else? What else do they need to know?
We'll let you know later.
Yes, when we find out something, we'll let you know for sure.
Hola, buenos dias. We are now here at Miraflores, Lima, Peru. We are waiting for other people to join us up for the free walking tour. There's two spots where you can join the tour. One is in the Centro Historico in Lima, and one is here in Miraflores, close to where we are. In Miraflores, you have to walk from your hotel to the Saga Falabella Mall, and you meet them up here at 10 o'clock. When it's 10 o'clock, we go to the bus station and we ride the bus from here to downtown Lima.
The guide speaks two languages, English and Spanish. So don't worry if you can't understand English or Spanish, they're bilingual.
Yeah.
Also, they gave us this one.
We have stickers.
I love Lima. So we're very excited. It's going to be our first time to ride a bus. So, well, hopefully we won't get lost. We'll just stick with them. It's like in the Philippines, right?
What?
It's like in the Philippines.
Yeah, so it's buses, but in the Philippines it's like the MRT. It's faster because in the highways I can see that it's bumper to bumper.
Francisco Pizarro. Quizás han escuchado hablar de él. Él fue conquistador español que llega a la zona de Panamá primero y empieza a escuchar leyendas de tesoros que hablaban de una ciudad perdida en Sudamérica con mucho oro y plata. Ahí empieza a surgir esta leyenda de El Dorado, por ejemplo.
Try it.
Acá para manejarlo,
¿Cómo?
ya
¿Cómo,
se
Hugo?
controla la alcoholemia, la gente. No, pero en serio, le pregunto. De esto consume mucho los políticos, pues. Si hay robo, pasa algo robo.
Qué dulce. Me encanta.
I don't deny there's some strange evolutionary process going on, but mankind won't be destroyed. The fact that you and I are working here today is evidence of that.
Fountain in Lima, China. And you will try this out.
Is it good? Really good? Wow. And then another round.
Ate, bigyan na ng bigyan.
Mayonesa. No. Maybe what's that?
Chicharon de pota,
How much is it?
which is calamares. It's 7 salt.
Is it good?
It's good. Like calamares. Hopefully, eh? La mejor
La mejor.
en Lima.
Lima, Perú. ¿Cómo se llama?
Brenda,
Brenda y...
𝐦𝐤𝐤𝐿. La mejor comida, Perú, Perú, Perú.
We just finished watching the show, the magical show.
The fantasy fountain. It's the second fountain. You have to be in position if you want to have a good view of it.
Yeah. I just stayed there.
But it's absolutely beautiful. They use projectors and they projected the show in front of the water.
So when you visit Lima, Peru, make sure that you go here. It's only 4 soles per person and it's definitely worth it. They have different times. They start at 6:50 p.m.
6:50, there's a 7:30, 8:30 and 9:15 show, I think. Check the website. They change it based on the time of the sunset, of course.
It's so beautiful, so just check it out. Thank you for watching our video. We hope you enjoyed it. And if you have any questions, just write down in the comments below.
Ciao, ciao.